Oh, oh, oh.
Hear it. Sanbonan. Good evening to you all. How are you all doing? Are we enjoying the music in the Imbizo festivities? Are all the activities going in? I know, Nati, we are happy to be here. We go by the name of Young MBAZO. MBAZO meaning a movement built to acknowledge Zenith origins, heavenly origins, Zulu origins, MBAZO.
Culture.
Ngizwa kuthiwa kuno-birthday girl lana. Uphi-birthday girl?
Akavele
Uphi-birthday girl avele.
vela la sikbo.
Uphi-birthday girl space cela kumbona. Sifuna ukuthi nje kena happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ukhulile. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. How we mean them nandi, happy minem nandi, guwe wena ukulile. Happy minem nandi, guwe wena ukulile. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Oh, so I'm the translator. What they were basically saying is that she's 16 and today is her sweet 16. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Kwangena tena kwanyamala linkungu, kwangena tena kwatotoza mapungu, kwangena tena kwanyamala linkungu, kwangena tena kwatotoza mapai, kwangena tena kwanyamala linkungu, kwangena tena kwatotoza mapai, kwangena tena wenkungu, kwangena tena kwatotoza mapungu. Sondelo lalelo mamele we, sondelo zobona senzani. Sondelo lalelo mamele we na, 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 sondelo zobona senzani. Sondelo lalelo mamele, sondelo zobona senzani. Ngoba kwangena thina kwanyamala lenkungu, kwangena thina kwatotoza mapungu, kwangena thina kwanyamala lenkungu, kwangena thina kwatotoza ebutotoza mapungu, maseshikena thina kwanyamala lenkungu, kwangena thina kwatotoza ebutotoza mapungu, maseshikena thina kwanyamala lenkungu, kwangena thina kwatotoza mapungu. Sondelo ulalela umamele wena sondela uzobona senzani sondela 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 ulalela umamele wena sondela uzobona senzani ngoba kwangena thina kwayamalala ingugu kwangena thina kwatothoza amabhungu khetha culture. What the music that we do is called Isicathamiya. A nickname for it is Totoza Mfana. In a little bit, we're going to do a song that is explaining the history of this music. But for now, we're doing a song called Diliga Mtanga. Sure. Besizo kaninga bantu besivalele menyango kaninga bantu besizo kaninga bantu besivalele menyango kaninga bantu besizo elamangam namhlanje lamangam elamangam she elamangam phana elamangam namhlanje lamangam elamangam elamangam namhlanje lamangam elamangam namhlanje lamangam
Awutilega mthanga
la ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega
mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga la ubo tilega mthanga tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
ubo
tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga tilega mthanga ubo tilega ubo tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega ubo tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
Tanga
tilega mthanga labo
ubo
tilega ubo tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
tanga
tilega mthanga ubo tilega ubo tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
debesvale
tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
debesvimbe
tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga debesvale tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga debesvimbe tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga debesvale tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga debesvimbe tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega
mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga ubo tilega mthanga
awutilega mthanga
tilega mthanga labo ubo tilega mthanga
haye kusho thina
kushingoma iyamba
Can we get another round of applause for the Young Bazo? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. How are you? Hope so. This is the official welcome to the 2019 The Music Imbizo, as Pepe always corrects me. And we've got our esteemed, how do I introduce you? Our acting mayor, Mr. Applegreen, to set off all the festivities. A round of applause, please.
I don't think it should be what you heard just now, that is the speech. It's like, so to Miracle and the team that put together the Music Imbizo, we really, on behalf of the city, I know I'm not the mayor, right? The mayor has some challenges. That's her. But the city, the life of the city will continue. So I'd like to say, on behalf of the city, we'd really like to congratulate and express our sincere appreciation to Miracle and the team and all of you for making the music, the business of music, thrive in our city. And I really, what we saw here just now, and really respect, guys, because I'm sure people like all the big names abroad would like to hear this and collaborate, because it's a combination of spirit of, like when you listen to that music, it inspires you. Like, I don't speak Zulu, right? I'm half Zulu, half Swedish. Yeah, that's my ancestry. But like, their music transcends whatever language or culture you are. And right, to the Music Imbizo, I really wish you guys success. And as a small token of my appreciation to Miracle, where's Miracle? Miracle, where are you? Miracle, come. Where are you? Sorry, where's Miracle? Okay, I'm just going to give it to the MC. Where's the MC? You can give it to Miracle. MC, where's the MC now? He's disappeared. Because I don't want to give a long speech, guys. I just want to recognize Miracle because he did all the hard work. I just came here and had free bunnies and some wine. By the way, those bunnies were a bit too small, huh? Yeah. Okay. Miracle, where are you? Maybe I should just call him Spare. Maybe he doesn't know that name, Miracle. Come, Mr. Miracle, where are you? Okay, I'll give this to you rather. Miracle's not here. Mandela has always been a hero to me. And I'm sure if he was alive and he was here tonight, he would have danced with you guys. So, this is for you guys. Yeah, you can have it. I'll get him another one. Yeah. And there's another guest of honor in the house. Miss, I would like you to come and join us here. And what you're doing in the US by giving them some lyrics and making them great music, I'd like to also recognize Candace from Maritzburg. She's not from Durban, but we'll kind of claim her. So, this is, I'm kind of an old person, right? But you guys are the young guns. You're going to make things happen. You're going to take us there. So congratulations, and I wish you guys all the best. Okay. You stand with them.
Is this us singing with the Candice Pillay? What are we singing? Sho sholoza sho huyeye kule zontaba stimela siphume South Africa sho sholoza sho huyeye kule zontaba stimela siphume South Africa sho sholoza Sholoza, ule sontaba, stimela, spume South Africa. Sholoza, sholo, No, Candice, we need to do something together. That was, thank you, Mr. Apple Green. Wow. The Candice Pillay. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Let's go back to
the next song that we're gonna do now is for the ladies, because we just I think we're still in Women's Month, Bafwethu, ne? So we're still in Women's Month. Please, the woman and the lady next to you, please say shine. Sitting just shine. May you continue to be glorious. Ladies, this one is for you. Selisela vela nalitubelihle nalitubelihle livela ihle livuma ukuthi nginisele lasijale khona imbewu nalitubelihle livela awulihle livuma ukuthi nginisele lasijale khona imbewu yethu yothando imbewu yeminyaka yatshalwa ngobabamkhulu bethi imbewu yothando imbewu yeminyaka yatshalwa ngobabamkhulu bethu nalithuba lihle livela lihle livuma ukuthi nginisele lasitshale khona imbewu nalithuba lihle livela lihle livuma ukuthi nginisele lasitshale khona imbewu yethu yothando imbewu yeminyaka yatshalwa ngobabamkhulu bethu imbewu yothando imbewu yeminyaka yatshalwa ngobabamkhulu bethu nalithuba lihle livela hawe babu hawe sithando sami ngiyakuthanda hawe hawe ayifohloza ngiyazifela hawe hawe Tanomuntu ngiyakuncama awusondela sondela lapha kimi ngithi manqa hawe sithando sami ngiyakuthanda hawe ayifohloza ngiyazifela hawe tanomuntu ngiyakuncama awusondela sondela lapha kimi ngithi manqa Githi sondela lapha kimi ngithi manqa Githi sondela lapha kimi ngithi baby ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby baby ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby ngiyabonga baby ngihlushona lothando baby lutsa ngikutshela 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 ngiyabonga baby ngiyakubonga my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby wozalana ngithi manqa my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby wozalana ngithi manqa my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby wozalana ngithi manqa my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby wozalana my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby wozalana my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby wozalana my baby oh my baby ngiyabonga baby Mina now was a connector, baby, my baby. Mina now was a connector, baby, my baby. Mina now was a connector, baby, my baby, my baby. Sure, baby, baby. Can I, baby, baby. I go home, my baby, my baby, my baby. I go home, my baby, my baby, my baby. Oh, sure, baby, baby. Can I, baby, baby. Sure, baby. Can I? Okay, guys, can we do a song for you guys? This song is called Our Music. This song is basically going to explain to you guys what this music is about, where it came from, how it came to be what it be, because today I'm sure we all know of the great Lady Smith Black Mambazo, 5-time Grammy Award winners, ne? All the way from here in KZN. So now we're going to talk about a type of music called Isicathamiya. Yeah, but I was very happy to see Mr. Apple Green here. Because even this type of music is really much needed abroad. Yeah. So there's some things that we're gonna might send his way. We've just gotten an invite to Brazil, by the way. So whoop for that. You know, Brazil has given us an invite. Now we have to honor that invite, and hopefully the likes of Mr. Apple Green could help us honor such. But here we go. Our music. Our music is extraordinary. Unjani usenga evuma. It is globally recognized and locally advanced. Our music is extraordinary. Unjani usenga evuma. It is globally recognized and locally advanced. Our shit is extraordinary. Unjani usenga evuma. It is globally recognized and locally advanced. That's right. But Anish, what is this music? Eniwenzayo. Webantwana baqothoza. Okay. Systematically born in bondage, deep within the minds, manufactured in informal settlement, and mastered for the mass. Wait. Sengathi ngigijima kakhulu ngesilungu bafana nginizwa kahle. Wait. What is this music? Eniwenzayo. Resource. Okay. Systematically born in bondage, deep within the minds, manufactured in informal settlement, and then mastered for the mass. This is Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. We do Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. This is Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. This is Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. We do Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. This is Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. This is Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. We do Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. We do Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. This is Totosa, be gentle, don't disturb the bass. Isicathamiya, world music is here. Isicathamiya, Ebathi Isicathamiya. Ebathi Isicathamiya. Ribata Isicathamiya. Oh yeah. Toto, when I be a gentleman and don't disturb the vibe. Toto, when I be a gentleman and don't disturb the vibe. Toto, when I be a gentleman and don't disturb the vibe. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, when I'm gonna just don't disturb the vibe. This is Toto, don't disturb the vibe. Toto, Osa. Toto, Osa. Oh, Toto, Osa. Toto, don't disturb the vibe. Toto, don't disturb the vibe. Isicathamiya. World music. Isicathamiya. World music. Oh yeah. World music. Toto, when I be a gentleman and don't disturb the vibe. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, just don't disturb the vibe. No mama gets it, no mama tini when I don't disturb the vibe. This is Toto when I be gentle when I don't disturb the vibe. Isicathamiya. World music. Isicathamiya. World music. Isicathamiya. Hi. Uthando ngathandi bu uzoyiko malengoma culture angazi noma sisanga qhubeka yini. One more.
I guess
okay, since you want one more, are you guys gonna be able to do some Zulu dance? It's time to Zulu dance now. You're gonna do some Zulu dance now. Okay, we ready, ne? Okay, just make sure mom is ready too, because we wanna see this mother and daughter thing going on, like someone like, you know,
yeah. See you.
Okay, guys, let's get some water first, because this one they say they wanna do some Zulu dance. Let's get some water, eh?
Yeah. I
Yazin. Be a gentleman. Be a gentleman. Don't disturb the vibe. Be a gentleman. Don't disturb the vibe. No matter what they do, no matter what they do. Oh, just don't disturb the vibe. No matter what they do, no matter what they say. When I just don't disturb the vibe. No matter what they do, no matter what they say. When I'm gonna chat, don't disturb the vibe. This is Toto. Be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. Toto, so when I'm gonna be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. No matter what they do, no matter what they say, when I'm gonna try, don't disturb the bar. Toto, so when be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. Toto, so when be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. Toto, so when be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. Toto, so when be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. Toto, so when be a gentleman and don't disturb the bar. Isicathamiya.
I guess sing again.
Hathanda ngakubonga ngathi ngizokwenziwani ngakushela wangivuma kanti ungisebenza imali. Hathanda ngakubonga ngathi ngizokwenziwani ngakshela wangivuma kanti ungisebenza imali ngathanda ngakubuka ngathi ngizokwenza owami ngakshela wangivuma kanti ungisebenza ngathanda ngakubuka ngathi ngizokwenza owami ngakshela wangivuma kanti ungisebenza imali ngathanda ngakubuka ngathi ngizokwenza owami ngakshela wangivuma kanti ungisebenza imali ngathanda ngakubuka ngathi ngizokwenza owami ngedwa ngakshela wangivuma kanti ungisebenza imali uye lona sadla nayithelo saphikishiso kwamathelo limbi uye lona sadla nayithelo saphikishiso kwamathelo uye lo mado uye lona sadla nayithelo saphikishiso kwamathelo uye lo mado uye lona sadla nayithelo saphikishiso kwamathelo uye lona sadla nayithelo saphikishiso kwamathelo limi umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola ngani umculo usawulobola engabe umculo usawulobola sithi umculo usawulobola engabe umculo usawulobola siyabuza sithi umculo usawulobola engabe umculo usawulobola siyabuza sithi umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola siyabuza umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola siyabuza sithi umculo usawulobola engabe umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola asha umculo usawulobola siyabuza sithi umculo usawulobola engabe umculo siyabuza sithi umculo usawulobola engabe umculo usawulobola engabe umculo usawulobola tu siyabuza sithi umculo sithi shu umculo usawulobola umculo umculo usawulobola asambe wena umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola keep going come on umculo usawulobola hey yo, umculo usawulobola. 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 Okay. The evolution we do is an image, re-improve where the strength of your legacy is determined by what you include. You get a lot of hate when you expect a lot of love. Respect the hand you shake cause it's embraced by the man above. When I get a sick, I really go reshape the man. Suffer many more young umculo usawulobola uza sithi umculo usawulobola Zulu dance umculo usawulobola ngani umculo usawulobola ngani umculo usawulobola ngani umculo usawulobola ngani show yourself umculo usawulobola show yourself umculo usawulobola nawo umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola umculo usawulobola sishiwethu umculo usawulobola sishiwethu umculo usawulobola sishiwethu usawulobola umculo siyabuza sithi umculo usawulobola Asha umculo usolobolanga engabe umculo usolobolanga engabe umculo usolobolanga ashite umculo usolobolanga bilikitshis umculo usolobolanga hewe umculo usolobolanga hewe shu 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 hewe umculo so siyabuza sithi umculo usolobolanga engabe umculo yakhumi blood umculo so sishaksazi umculo usolobolanga engabe umculo usolobolanga umculo uso siyabuza sithi umculo usolobolanga engabe umculo usolobolanga asithi umculo uso shi asithi umculo uso shi asithi umculo usolobolanga engabe umculo usolobolanga ewena umculo uso umculo usolobolanga asithi umculo uso 2 by 2 2 by 2 1 for soul umculo uso 2 by 2 1 for soul asithi umculo usolobolanga umculo usolobolanga ilaphi umculo usolobolanga eshe umculo usolobolanga ewena umculo usolobolanga engathi umculo usolobolanga ekhoka umculo
Thisha wethu.
umculo usolobolanga ilapho umculo usolobolanga umculo usolobolanga ewena umculo usolobolanga umculo usolobolanga 2 by 2 2 by 2 1 for soul 2 by 2 1 for soul 2 by 2 1 for soul
Solobolanga. Umculo 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 solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo.
Who wants to come and show themselves, eh?
umculo
Come show yourself, Sasa. Come down now, come back. Come busy with Magin with Zajan.
umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga
Running again.
umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo animpheni izandla bafethu umculo solobolanga.
That's the one.
umculo
That's the one. With your hands, with your hands. Yes, yes, yes. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Yes, that's the one. That's the one.
umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo
2. Hey, you were quick later. You were quick.
umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga umculo solobolanga. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much, Bafwethu. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And we wish you all the best. Enjoy the rest of the Imbizo. Enjoy the rest of Durban. It is surely the warmest place to be.
Elohim. Elohim. Elohim.
Okay.
Elohim.
Hello? 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 Hi. I just couldn't let this time go away because you also, the beautiful lady that was there as a birthday, and it happens to be her 60th birthday.
Wow.
And I want to be that beautiful
Wow.
when I grow up. You know, I want to be that beautiful when I grow up. And I just wanted to tell her something. You guys, you go. If you go to listen, just do on this. And songs have a way of spiritually telling someone how much you love the person. And after almost 40 years of marriage or more, whatever, there's something I like to tell her. But I like it to be sang and sort of cut across everybody. And it's an old song. We are old school, and those who remember can join in. If you will, Liba, will you help me tell her how much I love her?
Off. Oh, there it comes
Okay.
on.
Oh, save you.
So this is a special one for you. So. Have I told you lately that I love you? And have I told you there's no one else above you? Fill my heart with gladness, take away all my sadness. You ease his troubles, that's what you do. All the morning sun in all its glory, it meets the day with hope and comfort too. Fill his life with laughter, Mom, somehow you make it better. You ease his troubles, that's what you do. Oh, there's a love that's divine, and it's yours and it's his, like the sun. And at the end of the day, we will give thanks and praise to the one. Has he told you lately that he loves you?
Wow.
And he's telling you there's no one else above you. Yeah.
Yes.
You fill his life with laughter, you take away all his sadness, you ease our troubles, that's what you do. Happy
Yebo, 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 yebo. One more. Okay, one more. Okay.
Thank God.
One more, eh? Okay. Okay. The last one, Iti. I am a believer. I am a believer. I am a believer. I am a believer. Receiver. Sent to the world as a messenger to deliver. I am a believer. I am a believer. I am a believer. I am a believer. Receiver. Sent to the world as a messenger to deliver. I say Elohim, yes. Elohim, yes. The dead will never doubt, destined me to be a blessing. I say Elohim, yes. Elohim, yes. The dead will never doubt, destined me to be a blessing. You are a blessing. We are a blessing. Elohim, yes. The dad who never doubt, destined me to be a blessing. You are a blessing, we are a blessing. Elohim, yes. The dad who never doubt, destined me to be a blessing. Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, 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 we say Elohim, never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. We say that will never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. That will never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. That will never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. Say Elohim, Elohim, honor him, follow him, we say Elohim, honor him, follow him. Everyone, say Elohim, honor him, follow him, we say Elohim, honor him, follow him, we say that will never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. We say that will never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. That will never doubt. He's destined me to be a blessing. That will never doubt. Honor him, follow him, we say Elohim, honor him, follow him, photo finish. Say Elohim, honor him, follow him.
Sabo. So right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Sabo.
Enjoy the rest of the Imbizo.